Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide fix the login problem of ChatGPT. So if you are not being able to log in on the ChatGPT, then this is the video for you then. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to fix the issue. And secondly, check if there is any update available on the ChatGPT app. So open Play Store or App Store on a device and see if there is any update available. So if there is any update available, you just need to update the app and try to log in again. So if it helps, then that's good. If it doesn't, then you just need to go to settings on the device, and from here you just need to search the app ChatGPT. And from here, click on the option of app and click on the option of storage. And here you will see the option of clear cache at the very bottom. So click on it. And by doing all of it, it helps you to fix the issue of not being able to log in on ChatGPT. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.